Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your T-Mobile which is having no signal bars. So here's a guide to get your cell service back faster in 2026. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Fix 1, you need to check for a T-Mobile outage. Open T-Life app on your phone, tap troubleshooter option, visit tmobile.com/coverage. You need to check downloaddetector.com. Fix 2, toggle airplane mode. Open settings on your phone, turn airplane mode on for at least 30 seconds. Then turn airplane mode off. Wait for registration. Fix 3, restart your device. Hold power button and restart. Wait for full boot up. Check status bar for signal. Continue if no bars appear. Fix 4, reset your SIM card. Power phone completely off. Pop out SIM tray with tool. Inspect gold contacts. Reinsert SIM firmly. Fix 5, set network mode to auto. On Android, you can go to network mode and select auto. On iPhone, you need to go to voice and data, then select 5G auto. Toggle airplane mode once again. Fix 6, manually select network. Go to network operators, turn off select automatically, scan and select T-Mobile. Switch back to auto after. Fix 7, reset network settings. Click on General, then go to Transfer or Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Also note it erases your Wi-Fi password. So be aware of your password. Now you can check for your restored signal. Fix 8, update carrier and software. On iPhone, select Settings, go to General and then select About. On Android, search for carrier services. Install pending system updates. Restart phone after update. Fix 9, switch 5G to LTE only. For that, you need to go to Settings, select Networks, and then select LTE only. LTE provides stable indoor signal. Walls block 2.4 GHz midband. You need to switch back when you are outdoors. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.